Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your device has the required permissions and language packs installed. Do this now. Next, enable the local autocorrect engine and real-time logging so you can monitor corrections as they happen. Open the target app and place the cursor where live input will occur. Then, type a short calibration phrase to let the system learn your patterns. Once done, the engine will build initial models and suggest replacements in real time. This is the first actionable step toward reliable in Vivo autocorrect. Now you tune the core parameters to balance help and interruption, lower sensitivity to avoid overcorrections, raise threshold for high-risk replacements, and set a moderate learning rate so changes persist. Add custom dictionary entries and shortcuts for names, acronyms, or jargon. Implement domain-specific rules that prefer certain spellings or formats. While typing, watch live logs, flag incorrect fixes, and retrain the model incrementally. By iterating these steps, you make autocorrect accurate without breaking your flow or context. Finish by running a stress test. Use varied vocabulary, punctuation, and run several 5 to 10-minute sessions. This reveals edge cases and timing issues. Export logs and back up your settings so you can revert changes and schedule periodic retraining to keep the model current. If mistakes keep occurring, reduce auto-replace actions and enable confirm on change or inline suggestions instead. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent false positives appear, reset learning for that word and add it to a protected dictionary to prevent future bad corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.